Hey guys, what is up? And today I'll be showing you how to 3D print and paint this llama from Fortnite. So once you have the parts printed, I used hot glue to glue it together, but if you are going to glue them together, use something like super glue because hot glue isn't very strong. So to paint, you first want to paint the head purple, the neck light blue, but I didn't paint it light blue because my filament colour is light blue, so it's not really any point. Then you want to do a band of dark blue, band of purple, band of light blue, but then again my colour for the filament, dark blue, and then dark blue for the legs. So the pattern goes purple, light blue, dark blue, purple, light blue, dark blue, and then dark blue for the legs, and yeah. For the eyes, I did a white circle with a black dot in the middle, and for this kind of saddle area I done beige. Watching, go check out the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you later.